gone in this show. So lots and lots of you are making this choice. We're going to begin with that. I believe, is this the same steak we did over there?
No, this is a different one, David. These are beautiful ribeyes, and you cook them here. As they're resting, you go in with your mushrooms and your herbs. Cook these in that air fryer as well for just 5 minutes, and they're beautiful to go on top of that steak.
Well, everything looks and smells fantastic. You get 140 recipes in this book, correct?
Absolutely.
And there are beautiful color photos inside. You're going to get great tips because remember, Meredith is not just a chef. She is an accomplished, wonderful chef, but she is also, her real passion is teaching. She is a home cook instructor. So she loves sharing her chefy knowledge with all of us, but she breaks it down in a way that makes it very easy for us home cooks to understand. So all of that same great teaching ability is now echoed through her brand new book, Air Fry Everything. Now, 1,200 books are gone. This is 3 easy payments on your credit card, and Meredith, your customer top rated on QVC.com.
Well, thank you very much, David. We certainly have had great success with this book, and I'm so thrilled about that because, honestly, I have fallen in love with air frying. And so, you know, when you fall in love with something that works so well, that makes so much sense, and other people jump on board and say, hey, you know what, I love it too, that's what makes a big, big, big difference. So, to me, doing steak is beautiful. But look over here, David. Here's that pickle brine fried chicken.
I was just snacking on that.
Oh.
Yeah,
I love a man that doesn't wait.
You know me, I just jump right in.
Pickled brine fried chicken, you take the end of your pickle jar and you brine your chicken in that delicious liquid, then you bread it. You're not deep fat frying it, you're air frying it, so it's better for you. So you can now enjoy your fried chicken without the guilt.
You know what? I'm thinking you could probably get a little wackadoodle with some cayenne pepper paste and make Nashville hot chicken.
Well, I have to tell you, I have a recipe for Nashville.
Are you working on that?
Just finished it and I love it.
Because I have been to Nashville before. I have had the mildest of all the, oh my word. I've had the kind where they come and they call paramedics to watch people eat it. It's so hot. Can you imagine?
Look at this one, David. This is your pizza bread. Look how gorgeous
Yum.
this is. You break it apart, people pull it apart. This is a big, you know, I don't have a lot of small children friends, but I do have one in particular that I'm very fond of, James.
Ooh, behind you, right behind you.
He came over and I made him this pizza bread, and let me tell you, it wasn't just James who enjoyed it, but we all ripped that apart and loved it. So
it's perfect.
Pizza bread in the air fryer. You cut your bread up, you put the tomato and the pepperoni and the cheese in, you air fry it for just about 7 minutes.
Wow.
And then it becomes a delicious, delicious pull-apart extravaganza.
Well, it's a rare occasion when we're able to offer Meredith's book at $18 and change on 3 easy payments. But we did that today. So now you've got an opportunity to enjoy that fantastic easy pay, these delicious fries. I'm going to reach over here and grab one.
I'm going to turn them into one of Canada's favorite, of course.
A little poutine?
Yes, favorite snack food I grew up on. And so that's the cheese curds. Then we add our gravy to this. And this, let me tell you, a fork if you're lucky, or just go to town. And that is a delicious, delicious snack. Now
the hot gravy melts the cheese curds?
Oh, melts the cheese curds. It's all delicious. It's potato and gravy, really, with some cheese thrown in. What could be wrong with that?
Nothing.
Here is one of my favorite recipes, David. This is fish and chips, but the chips are in air quotes. Chips, because they're salt and vinegar potato chips.
Oh, perfect.
On the fish. So instead of putting vinegar on your
You know, I helped out at QVC in the UK way back in 2001, and I can remember walking down the streets of London and smelling vinegar so strong, and looking up in front of me and seeing someone walking with a cone of newspaper, eating fish and chips out of that cone, and they had drenched it in malt vinegar.
Yeah, I love it.
And they're sitting there, and the aroma just wafted behind them, and just I was like, where are you going? Can I follow you? I would love some of your fish and chips. Can I have something just a little bit? All right, so.
This is the bread pudding, because any vessel that goes into the oven can go into the air fryer. This is Bananas Foster bread pudding in little ramekin in the air fryer. Warm banana bread. What do you want? What more do you want except just more?
Honey, this is so good.
Yeah.
How did I not taste this one?
Well, absolutely, and yes.
How is it I've not had that before? It's delicious. That's in the book?
Yes, that's in the book.
Oh my word, it's so good. It's so moist.
Oh, well, thank you. Thank you.
We need to make you a gluten-free version of this.
I'll eat your part, Mary.
That is so good, it's stupid.
There for you. I'm there.
That's some selfless friends right there that'll enjoy your food if you can't.
We're gonna work on getting some gluten-free up in here.
Thank you, David. So hey, we told you that today is